Assalamualaikum viewer, hope you are fine. Today's my topic, how to fix site cannot be reached. First of all, open Google Chrome. On right side three dots, click on three dots. After that, click on history. Then click on clear browsing data. After click on add, click on advanced, check mark all options. Also set timing range, then click on clear data. Now your history is clear successfully from all time, means from start. Now click on setting. Click on setting. After that, click on reset and clean up. After that, click on restore to their original default. After click reset setting, and last reset setting, click on reset setting. Now your browser is successfully reset to their original default setting. Now your problem is solved. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.